This was too easy. Every once in a while you get an easy one. The next one will be a little more fun, I promise. Well, maybe.
Okay. Schlage classroom function. What? The bad speakers. Handle off. Broken too. Looks like someone might have worked on this.
Yep.
Yeah, you can tell.
And it's still messed up.
Yeah, they should have replaced a lot. Oh man, they made a mess. Was it a carpenter?
Yep.
Yeah. It's funny. Every school, every lock on every school was originally put in by a carpenter. But our carpenters don't want to do.
So you videotape what you're doing?
What's that?
You videotape what you're
Yeah, I'm trying to give them education on how to do stuff when I leave.
Oh, when are you leaving?
June 30th.
Guess when I'm leaving? June 30th.
Are you class of 80 in high school?
Yeah, I was class of 82 in high school.
Oh, you're younger than me. It's good to be out of here, isn't it?
I'm feeling a little...
Antsy?
Yeah.
I've had people who retired said, you see the... Yeah, I'll get that. Don't put it off, because it's... You can find something to do, and they've actually done better since retiring than they have retired. Maybe working.
Yeah.
Mom was worked for the post office for like 25 years.
I worked, yeah. I worked for Blue Cross and Blue Shield in Boston for 10.
He resigned from the post office because they wanted to send him to New York.
Oh.
And he's born and raised in Carroll City and stuff like that. So he, no. I'll retire at 43 or whatever it was. He had military time.
Wow.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you, sir. You're the best. I don't care what she says about you.
Don't believe don't believe it. Don't let people come here and come in between us.
Did you go to school down here?
No, well...
You're from Boston.
I'm from Boston. Well, I'm from New York. I went to school in Boston. I did, I got my bachelor's in Boston.
So what PS? If you're from New York.
Oh, no. I was upstate, Rockland County.
Okay.
So I went to Spring Valley High.
Too cold for you up there, huh?
No, Boston was colder. Boston's freezing.
Yes.
And then I lived in London for 3 years, which was cold. It was
year round. It's like living in Seattle, but worse.
Yeah. It was never. I don't remember sun. And I lived there for 3 years.
Going to school there?
Yeah, I love British history, so I was taking some classes there. It's kind of chilling. I went there for a study abroad, but I ended up staying. I liked it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You went to Shakespeare's house, I'm assuming, or
Yeah,
where?
of course. We did all of that.
Theater and around.
Yep. I did all the theaters. I learned about Shakespeare's London.
You learned that an elevator is a lift.
Oh yeah, and then a line is a Q. Cigarette is a fag. Which you can never say in the United States.
You ain't spotted whatever, you know.
Yeah, it was good. Had a good time.
Whenever I see, we were in Boston a few years ago. And you see British tourists, you go, well, what do you think we did to the old country? You know.
Oh, Ness, come a minute, please. Nancy, question for you. Miss Dixon wants to work after school as well.
Yeah.
How do we go about that? Because
I
she works
think it's
morning
right.
and she works after school.
She could. She'll just leave it the same because I just have to type in.
Okay. We're back to Yale walks. This one is on a teacher's planning room. And as you can see, the key doesn't work very well. You got to pull it out. And the reason for that is the teacher's planning rooms, we would set them up so that any teacher's key for their classroom would operate it. But over time, they needed more classroom space, so they put the students in these rooms. Sometimes we become counselors' offices or reading specialists. You know, it's easier to do that. Architects aren't always right. So let's take the lock apart. Yeah, it's got the lost ball slot in it. This is, in fact, I probably dropped out a master pin here somewhere, but it's all going to be garbage. Get yourself a magnet so when you drop your keys, you can pick them up. Going to be replacing it with a 195S classroom function. Okay. There's your template. Don't need that. We also made a bunch of keys and a new cylinder for the school. All the locks come with the tailpiece they need. Pretty sure that I already have one on the new cylinder. Only really need the through bolts. And the poke tool. And latch and strike plate screws. What I do with them taking the lock apart, the old lock. I just throw it in the box where the new lock came. That's the new lock. Now, yesterday I had a newer style Yale lock that actually had a keeper for chaining clip here. I can use the poke tool, but this one is the old style with a set screw. It's got an Allen wrench. 16 and 1 will get in there and remove it if it's not too tight. Sometimes you gotta just take the bit out and start it with the bit out, or use a regular Allen wrench, get it started, then you can put it in your 16 and 1 and get it out. Okay, I don't need that anymore. My negative screwdriver. There we go, don't need that. Don't drop the screwdriver. Got lucky. It's already been through bolted. Some of the original ones, Yales, didn't have through bolts, which meant they can be, since they weren't through bolted, the problem we were having is they could just be twisted around. And that didn't last very long. They figured, yeah, we actually prepped the door to put that other lock on. We drilled the holes here. Even this is anti-prep, these holes are probably a little smaller. So this would be like Sergeant Corbin, whenever we were on the angle. I put new screws in. I take a screwdriver, push that latch out a little bit. Let me grab over my screwdriver that hit the floor somewhere. Where did you go? Oh my God, how'd you end up way over there? Oh, I'll get you in a minute. I guess that's a good door if its latch goes in there so firmly. Hi. Remember, your cylinder needs to go